Hey everyone, it's Shar from Shar's Fashion Nation. Again, I'm recording on two devices. It's kind of weird when nothing wants to upload correctly. So this is my weekend content. And it's also another package from Juivia's place. I did write that on there. The website. Okay, so let me get to that. Now, if you remember, I said I accidentally bought two of this. I did accidentally buy two of this. This is white peach. And still to me, it smells like a peach vodka. Or, yeah, that's what it smells like. I don't mind it though. It's really good. I like it. But I have more birthday goodies. Yeah, birthday goodies. Birthday goodies. I remember this year, Black Friday fell on my birthday. Next year won't, but you know, hey, whatever. Oh, I forgot to wipe something off the back of my hand from doing the other unboxing from Gerard. I love the stuff that was in that mystery box. Okay, so I shall take my invoice out of here because you don't need my address, as I always say, because you don't. So the first thing out of the box is this. This is an eyeshadow palette, and when I bought this, it was $4. Oh my God, their packaging is always on point, y'all. Always, so this side can see it better. Always on point. I think it's cute. If I don't keep it, someone out there will have something nice from Juivia's place. And I saw more stuff coming, so not from Juivia. What? No, I think I think I have one more thing coming from Juivia's place. So let's see about getting this opened. Yeah, they have that sealed. Would use the pink ones, but I feel like I'm gonna accidentally hurt myself with that. So these are always handy. Remember to close your scissors because that would be a catastrophe. I still don't know what's going on with the lighting unless I sit like this, then it's almost even. So, and I have my back brace on. So this is cute. Y'all, like, a lot of these cosmetics companies are really stepping up on keeping the product really safe. Oh my gosh, these are beautiful. The camera does not do it justice. Keep it or give it to a friend. It's a neutral with some beautiful color. Oh, I think, don't quote me on this. I would look on this device. I think over on TikTok, because that's where I bought it from, it might still be on sale. White peach. Yep. I knew it. I knew it. So there is a second one of this that goes right there. I'll find a friend to give it to. Gosh. And don't mind the dog. Our neighbor has been walking back and forth, and I notice he has a particular ankle bracelet on, so he's probably annoying the dog right now while I'm recording. So there's that. Yes, I was going to look on here for you for the TikTok shop because I'm using my phone here and my big tablet here. So we're kind of all over the place. Oh, come on, people, get off my screen. I was not meaning for that. Whatever. Merry Christmas. Okay. Yes, I know that package was delivered. So in the TikTok shop, I did not have to pay too much for this palette. Oh my goodness, they need to stop. Okay, let's just go over here. Now, when I bought this while they were live streaming, and I believe this was like $4. But if you can go over to their website and see if they still have that going. Oh, there we go. I forgot to tap that. Forgot to tap on the right thing. That helps. Here. They're live streaming right now. Maybe you should go catch that. Well, they're live streaming while I'm doing this. Yes, $4. $4, y'all. $4.50 to be precise. Cover that real quick. You don't need my address. Anyway, $4.50. That's not bad for that little ass palette. I'm tempted to keep it, but I have so much makeup coming in. I'm going to put this in my maybe section. Oh my God. I already have a palette from them. I'm not going to say that I don't, because I do. I got the coffee shop palette. And it has some good neutral tones in it, like this one. Just absolutely beautiful neutral tones from Juivia's place. I want to try you on, but we'll see. Maybe I'll find a friend in need. Although I do have a few friends out there that right now, well, like my budget, their budget's scraping too. And sometimes I help friends out. Like last year, I purchased, I've told you all this before, for My Nails and More by Jonna and Pandora Muse 57 Nails. I'll put that back in the box in a minute. Okay. Now, I also got this, in which I have never used one before. Well, not one of this before. I have not had this before. This I'm keeping. Pretty sure I'm going to be keeping this. And let me put my glasses on because I cannot see that. Remember, you can wear glasses and be beautiful. This is the Nubian Glow Lunar Nubian Liquid Luminizer. So you can, let's see, what is this? Egyptian Glow. So, the plastic. It's plastic and it's fantastic. I mean, that's big. Let me compare this to something that I have that might be just as big. Oh, yes. This is Jeffree Star, right? I got this off the TikTok shop as well. Jeffree Star and Juivia's Place. Both have a TikTok shop. I have to say, in comparison, they would be the same size. So I'm glad that I can compare that. This one is smaller, as you can tell. And there's nothing wrong with that either. So you can use this on your face to give yourself that glow. Let me see. You know what? I have a beauty blender right here that's dampened. So we'll just show you on that real quick. So on my phone, that'll be going over to TikTok. I have I do have foundation and powder on, and you can get their powder too from Juvia's Place if you want. Oh my God. I don't know if you can see that with my complexion. I'm kind of between, I'm in my winter shade right now. Generally, I'm tan being mixed between native and black. Usually I am tan. Ooh, that's going to be beautiful. This would be great for powwow as well. Blend that on. Ooh, there we go. Why does it always show up better on one cheek than the other? I think it's just the lighting that does that. Now remember, your beauty blender will shear it. It sure is pretty. So there's that. And then last but not least, out of this box, you know they do moisturizer. You're gonna end up with a big stack of boxes. This is the Squalene Glow Oil. And oh, you know who I saw with this? I saw my friend Rich Lux with this before, and he loved it. And when he reviewed it, he's like, ooh, squalene. I've never used anything with squalene in it that I am aware of. Oh, wow, that is a heavy packaging. That's glass, y'all. That is glass. Does this pop up or something? How does this work? I'll just go like this for now. Oh, it's a dropper. So, oh yes, that is so cool. Bring this up here a little bit for the other camera. That is so cool. So I'm going to say, in your night routine for your hydration and maybe a little bit before you put your makeup on, I would suggest a little squalene. Heck yeah, suggest. Okay, so I'm going to keep one out for my, right over here in this area. Remember, we got this. We got this. There was an extra one of this. And then I'm debating on give or keep, because I have the bigger eyeshadow palette. So that just means, and then should I keep or should I gift? Should I keep or should I gift? You never know. Anyway, remember that you too, even if you wear glasses like I do, don't mind the dog. She's kind of weirder today. Even if you wear glasses like I do, and these are an Invisalign bifocal for we old ladies in our 50s. Yeah, so this is going to be fabulous. Oh my gosh, y'all, that glow on the cheek. Even if you want to do some like dewy look for the summer, the winter, you know, because our winter skin, pop a little bit of this on to give yourself that little bit of glow. Pop it with your foundation if you want to have that little glow. Maybe you're going to an event where they want you to be glow fabulous. Glow fabulous. That's a good one. There you go. Use that, Juivia's Place. Glow fabulous. Because you will glow fabulous with this from Juivia's Place. And with that said, stay happy, stay healthy, stay positive, and as always, stay blessed. Hit their TikTok lives. I'm telling you. They go over there. They have this awesome energy. You can get products like I did at a reasonable, cost-efficient price. Don't forget, I have another one coming in. I have another Juvia's Place package coming in. So, with that said, stay happy, stay healthy, stay positive, and as always, stay blessed. I still don't know what's going on with the lighting, but I will see you in the next one. Bye.